How to create Jira account. Well, that is what I'm going to show you guys in a super quick and easy tutorial. So if this video helped you out, please let me know in the comments and let's get started right away because it's actually super easy to do. So what you want to do is simply search for Jira, and right over here you have it on this website. So once you are here, you can immediately get started. So you can either fill in your work email and sign up via there, or what you can also do is sign up via Google, Microsoft, Apple, or Slack, which is also pretty nice. I'll just go ahead and fill in my email address. Once you have filled that in, you want to click on sign up. Then they will email you a code which you will have to fill in order to verify. This is what the email will look like. So simply copy the code right over here and paste it in. It will immediately bring you over like this. Here you will actually have to create your account. So enter your full name and password. Once you have done that, simply click on continue. So you'll be brought to this page. It says, let's name your site. Your site name appears in the URL of your Atlassian products. Most people use their team or company name. Now you can choose whatever you would like to. I'll just go with this one for the sake of this tutorial. And simply go to Jira. So this is always the part where you have to tell them a bit about yourself. So they will automatically set something up which has something to do actually with you. So here you can choose in what type of team you work. So for example, marketing, IT support, customer service, or other. Let's say I were to go with marketing. Then what's your role? Head of marketing, marketing director. See, you can choose what you want. I'll just do this. And then what are your main tasks? Well, let's see, for example, project planning and coordination, and then simply click on next. And then they'll tell you that they're building your site. So we'll just have to wait. And here you'll have to create your first project. So you can give this a team name or a project goal or milestone, which it says right here. I'll just call this Ryan's team real quick. And here you have the first recommended template. Now, if you click on more templates, this will also show you more as well. But this one is recommended due to what I answered to those questions. But if you want to start with a blank project, you can do that as well. So now I'll just simply click on create project. And there we go. That is how to create Jira account step by step.